In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Users and Accounts. Now select Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and hit Add Password over here to input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!